If you haven't been making more than $1,000 a day with AI, it's time to pause what you're doing and invest a few moments in watching this transformative video. Today, I am thrilled to guide you through the process of kickstarting your journey to financial success with AI. This method is not only suitable for seasoned experts, but also for complete beginners seeking a pathway to prosperity. While AI influencers might not be too keen on sharing this side hustle, I firmly believe in empowering people with valuable knowledge. Surprisingly, not many are discussing this hidden gem, but in my humble opinion, it stands as one of the simplest ways for beginners to tap into the immense potential of ChatGPT and AI technology to make money online in 2023. Feel free to share this video with friends, family, or anyone you know who is keen on earning money with ChatGPT. If you're hungry for fresh tips and cutting-edge tactics on making money online regularly, do not hesitate to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't be shy to leave your questions or comments about this method below. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of Kittle.com, an exceptional graphic design tool that boasts an extensive library of hundreds of thousands of templates. Usually, harnessing these designs would require exceptional graphic design skills. However, with the power of AI, these designs are now accessible to everyone, allowing for seamless customization and money-making opportunities online. What's even more impressive is that Kittle doesn't just offer an extensive template collection. It also integrates AI technology into its platform, elevating your creative potential to new heights. To get started, create your account on Kittle, and you'll be all set to embark on your creative journey. But before we delve into utilizing these templates for monetary gains, there's another valuable resource waiting for us: ChatGPT. The first step is to sign up for this remarkable AI tool. And the best part? It's absolutely free. Once you're registered, the real magic begins as you ask ChatGPT to recommend the best books in any genre of your choosing, whether it's fitness, business, or the ever-popular How to Make Money Online category. The possibilities are endless, and ChatGPT will furnish you with a curated list of top recommendations. Now comes the exciting part: checking if the books recommended by ChatGPT are available on Audible. Amazon's renowned audiobook platform is a treasure trove for book lovers. By ensuring the availability of these books on Audible, you set the stage for an effective promotional campaign that can potentially yield substantial commissions. As we discover that the book Fitness Fundamentals by Michael Matthews is available on Audible, we seize this opportunity to unleash the power of ChatGPT once again. Our AI companion will now generate a comprehensive 2,000-word summary of the book, a feat that seems almost otherworldly. The result is an informative article that flows seamlessly and is ripe for audience engagement. Now that we have the content, let's make it visually appealing by incorporating AI-generated images from Kittle. For each paragraph in the book summary, we can craft a unique and captivating image using Kittle AI. The possibilities for customization are endless, and the result is a visually stunning article that captivates readers and entices them to explore further. As we place these AI-generated images strategically throughout the article, we find that it enhances the overall user experience, leading to increased read-through times, better engagement, and a higher likelihood of visitors clicking on our affiliate links. Speaking of which, it's time to join the Audible Affiliate Program. This program offers an enticing incentive where you earn $5 for every individual who signs up for a free Audible account through your referral link. Not just that, if they continue their membership, you receive an additional $10, an opportunity to earn while providing others with free books. The no-cost offer of obtaining a free audiobook coupled with your affiliate links creates an irresistible proposition for potential readers. With all the pieces of the puzzle in place, it's time to share your AI-generated book summaries on a platform that attracts millions of visitors every month, Medium.com. This high-traffic platform serves as an ideal springboard to get your content in front of a vast audience, potentially transforming casual readers into loyal subscribers and, most importantly, driving traffic to your landing page. Crafting an optimized Medium profile that reflects your expertise will further enhance your credibility and allure. Engaging and informative articles will encourage readers to explore your work, helping you gain visibility and ultimately Financial rewards. To maximize the impact of your articles, ensure that you include a compelling call to action in each book summary. This prompts readers to take immediate action, resulting in higher conversion rates and increased commissions for you. By reiterating the offer strategically throughout the article, you leave no room for readers to overlook the opportunity to claim a free book. Now, you might be wondering, how often should you post articles on Medium? Consistency is the key to success here. Aim to post at least 20 articles daily. The more content you share, the greater your chances of gaining traction, ranking higher on search engines, and attracting clicks that lead to substantial earnings. Remember, building a successful online venture takes time and effort. Embrace the process of continuous improvement, adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape, and you will unlock the doors to financial freedom in the AI-driven era. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on leveraging the power of AI, ChatGPT, Kittle.com, and the Audible affiliate program to create a profitable side hustle. Your potential to earn over $1,000 a day lies within your reach. By staying consistent, improving your strategies, and tapping into the vast opportunities presented by AI, you can achieve your financial goals and forge a path to prosperity. In conclusion, the future is bright with AI's potential for generating income online. This extraordinary blend of technology and creativity provides a myriad of possibilities to create an impact and secure financial freedom. Embrace the AI-driven revolution and let your entrepreneurial spirit soar. As you delve into the AI-powered realm, remember to remain adaptable, innovative, and open to exploring new avenues to achieve your financial aspirations. The era of AI-driven opportunities has dawned, and it's time to seize them and make your mark on the digital landscape. So let's embrace the exciting journey of leveraging AI to make money online and witness the transformation it brings to our lives. Now, go ahead, share this wealth of knowledge with those around you and empower others to embark on their own journey towards financial abundance with ChatGPT and AI technology. Remember, success is not just a destination, it's a journey. And with the power of AI at your disposal, the possibilities are infinite. With that, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos on making money online and exploring innovative strategies for achieving financial freedom. Let's embark on this exhilarating adventure together, and together we shall pave the way to a prosperous future. Thank you for being part of our community, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care, and let's make our dreams come true. Thanks for watching.